Farewell to Gianni and Matteo. Matteo was, I think he's Portuguese descent, possibly Brazilian, living in Treviso. And Gianni is from Treviso. No, we're not going that way, we're going this way. Yay! Open it up. Percent here. Nearly 30 k's downhill. 2,093 meters of climbing in 87. 2000, what was it? 2090, nearly 2100. Close enough, it's easy to remember. Nearly 2100 meters of climbing in 85 k's. Yeah, tidy bit of work. Sort of. Anyway, okay, which way here? What's going on? Feltre, no, we gotta go left. Bassano del Grappa. Nothing happening. Okay, safe. I think it's about 30 odd k's, 30 something k's to Bassano. If you're a bit damp, it's a real problem. It's quite cold here. There's the girls. You got a brake for this. Oops. Yeah, here we go. More tornantes. Yeah. Shit roads. There we go. Valstagna, whatever that is. Oh yeah, I remember this place. If I remember well, we should be copying a moderate uphill set. Museo Guerra, war museums. Yeah, we're getting there. Beautiful how the sunlight is yeah, we're on. Sunlight touches the leaves there, it's just gorgeous. Nah, still creaking. I'm gonna be careful, there could be a few cars coming up here. Yeah. What did I say? 4. Hang on. Ugh. Skid, skid. There it is. That's where we're heading to. Actually, I might take this opportunity to stop and get this. Here comes a switchback. Oh. Oh. Yeah. 113 k's done so far. Be about 135, 140 by the time we get home. Methinks. And soon we'll be in Bassano. Seren del Grappa this way. I think it's this way. Yeah. Bassano. We passed through here this morning a little. Went out that way. And our first red light. 2 o'clock. I've done nearly 6 hours of riding. I'm hoping those guys are there doing their construction work with no safety equipment. Phew, that's a chemical smell. Looks like they're setting up. Does this guy look to see who is coming behind him at all? No. Non guardi indietro. Stupid. Excuse me. Scusi, grazie. I like going this way. It's my little shortcut. Bloody wind. Headwind out, headwind home. Crap. Oh well. See you. Trying to motor pace me. I'll hold on for a little longer. Ciao. Ciao. Six hours and 4 minutes. 2,130 meters and 4,755 odd calories. Ugh. Man. Oh, my hip. And here I am. Clunk clunk, that's Luca's place. Actually, we can just have a quick squeeze whilst I'm here of his incredible rose garden. See it? All around here, over there, through there, and up around there, right around here, and further on. There are only thorns and things here, but yeah. See, the roses unfortunately have died off, but oh wow, they were glorious. Look at them all. Massive garden. Certainly worth seeing this thing when it's in its prime, around mid-late May. And yeah, we've got a couple of roses here at Giorgio's. And home sweet home.